Alaikum, my dear brother. It is very most important MCQs class because these are most important related past paper MCQs. Watch this class and time. These are all to all repeated MCQs for jobs written test. Here are all the questions from past paper provided images as jobs written test MCQs with their correct answers. These are Islamic studies written test MCQs. Let's start your class. So first question, which mosque is considered the first mosque in Islam? Masjid Quba. C option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. In which city is Masjid Al Haram located? Makkah. B option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. What is the name of the Prophet's mosque in Medina? Masjid An Nabawi. C option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Which mosque is known as the farthest mosque? Masjid Al Aqsa. A option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Where is Masjid Al Aqsa located? Jerusalem. C option is correct answer. Next, important MCQs. Which mosque has two qiblas? Masjid Qiblatain. B option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Repeated MCQs. In which city is Masjid Qiblatain located? Medina. B option is correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Repeated MCQs. Which place is known as Baitullah? Kappa. B option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. So, where is the Kaaba located? Inside Masjid Al Haram. B option is your correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. What is the hillock where pilgrims stand during Hajj called? Arfat. C option is correct answer. Next, important MCQs. Which valley is known for stoning the devil during Hajj? Mina. B option is correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Where do pilgrims collect pebbles for stoning? Muzdalifa. B option is your correct answer. B is answer. Next important MCQs your. What are the two small hills between which pilgrims walk during Hajj and Umrah? Safa and Marwa. B option is answer. B is correct answer. Next important MCQs. In which cave did Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam receive the first revelation? Cave of Hira. B option is your correct answer. B is correct answer. My dear brother, these are all of most repeated MCQs. Next is your important MCQs for your jobs written test. In which cave did the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam hide during migration to Medina? Cave of Thawar. B option is your correct answer. Next, your repeated MCQs. On which mountain is the cave of Hira located? Jabal al Nur. B option is correct answer. Next, your important MCQs. Which well is located inside Masjid al Haram? Zamzam. A option is correct answer. Next, your important MCQs, my dear brother. These are all of repeated MCQs in your jobs written test. Inshallah, watch this class after you can get 20% score in your jobs written test. Next question. What is the name of the plain where the Battle of Badr took place? Badr. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is the battlefield of Oud located? Near Medina. B option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. Which mosque was built by the Prophet Muhammad SAW at the palace where his camel sat in Medina? Masjid an-Nabawi. B option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is the name of the mosque in Medina where the Prophet Muhammad SAW prayed during the Battle of Trench? Masjid al-Fatih. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. Which palace is known as Roza Rasul? Tomb of Prophet Muhammad SAW in Masjid an-Nabawi. It is repeated question in your jobs test. So remember this MCQs. Next your important MCQs. What is Jannatul Baqi? A graveyard in Medina. B option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. What is Jannatul Maula? A graveyard in Makkah. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQ. Where is the grave of Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam located? Hebron. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Which mosque is located in Kufa? Masjid al Kufa. A option is correct. Next your repeated MCQs. Which city is famous for the mosque of Ali Razallahu anhu? Najaf. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. Where is Masjid al Haramin a title for? So Masjid al Haram and Masjid an Nabawi. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs for your jobs written test. Which mosque is also called Masjid Jummah? The mosque where first Friday prayer was offered in Medina. A option is correct answer. So next your repeated MCQs in your jobs written test. What is the name of the mosque in Makkah where intention for Umrah is made? Masjid Aisha or Masjid At Tanim? Masjid At Tanim. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs for your jobs written test. Which place is called Mawaqit for Hajj? Places fixed for Ihram. A option is your correct answer. Next important MCQs, very important MCQs. What is the name of the place where pilgrims sacrifice animals? Mina. A option is correct answer. Next, my dear brother, most important MCQs. What is Hatim also known as Hijr Ismail? A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is Maqam Ibrahim located? Near Kaaba. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is Multazam? The part of Kaaba between its door and black stone. A option is correct answer. So next important MCQs. These are most important. Here are all the questions from the newly passed paper images formatted as jobs written test MCQs with their correct answers. Islamic studies written test MCQs continued. So next MCQs. What is Rukn Yamani? a corner of Kaaba facing Yemen? A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is Hajr Aswad? So it is very repeated MCQs. So is remember this MCQs for your jobs written test. Next important MCQs. What is the green dome famous for? Masjid an Nabawi. So A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Which mosque's dome is known as Dome of the Rock in Masjid al Aqsa complex? A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. In which city is the Faisal Mosque located? Islamabad. B option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. In which city is Badshai Mosque located? Lahore. B option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is the Bilu Mosque located? Istanbul. So A option is correct answer. This is very important MCQs for your jobs written test. Next important MCQs. What is the name of the mosque built by Hazrat Musa alayhi salam followers? Masjid al-Aqsa was expanded by many prophets. Masjid so al-Aqsa. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is Masjid al-Khaif? A mosque in Mina. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is the mosque at Arfat called where Hajj sermon is delivered? Masjid Nimra. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is Masjid Al Ajaba located? Medina. A option. A option is correct answer. So next your repeated MCQs. Which mosque was the first mosque built in Egypt? Mosque of Amir bin Al-As. A option is correct answer. So next your repeated MCQs. Where is Al-Azhar Mosque located? Cairo. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Which mosque is associated with Hazrat Umar Raziallahu Ta'ala anhu in Jerusalem? Masjid Umar. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. What is the name of the valley where the Battle of Hunain took place? Hunain. A option is correct answer. Next important question, very important question. What is the name of the trench dug during the Battle of Azab? Khandak. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. Where is the city of Tabuk located? Saudi Arabia. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Which palace is known as Madinatun Nabawi? Nabi. Medina. A option is correct answer. Next your repeated MCQ. What was the old name of Medina? It is very important question. Yatreb. So A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. What was the old name of Mecca? It is very important MCQs. Mecca. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. Which city is called Al Quds? Jerusalem. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQ. Which mountain is known as Jabal Ar Rahma? So mountain of mercy in Arfat. A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is Jabal Uhud located? It is very important MCQs for jobs written test. North of Medina. A option is your correct answer. Next important MCQs. What is the Name of the mosque where Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam offered prayer during the conquest of Makkah. Masjid al-Fatih in Makkah. So A option is correct answer. So next your repeated MCQ. Which place in Medina is known as Riyadul Jannah? Area between Prophet's pulpit and grave in Masjid an-Nabawi. A option is correct answer. So next your important MCQs. What is the name of the house of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in Mecca, which is now a library? So Mawlid Al Nabi Library. A option is correct answer. Next your important MCQs. What was Dar Arqam? First Islamic school near Safa Hill. So A option is correct answer. So next important MCQ. Where is Masjid Al Haram located in relation to Kaaba? Kaaba is inside Masjid Al Haram. So A option is your correct answer. So next important MCQs. Which gate is called Bab Salam in Masjid an Nabawi? Gate for entering for salam to Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. A option is correct answer. So next important MCQ. Which Islamic pillars is built on the highest point in Mecca now? Clock Tower, Abraj al Bayt. So A option is correct answer. Next important MCQs. Where is the mosque of the Prophet Khidr alayhi salam said to be? So near Masjid Quba. A option is correct answer. So my dear brother, it is very important MCQs class. These all of MCQs types related from past paper. Dear brother, I upload MCQs type class from past paper images anytime because I want to your success in your jobs written test. Kindly like my classes and so subscribe my channel for your jobs written test for getting 50% score. Thank you.